When we look at the night sky, we often see beauty and serenity. Millions of stars, planets, and galaxies stretch into infinity, twinkling silently in the darkness. Yet this calm is deceptive. Beyond what our eyes can see lies a violent, dynamic world, a place of motion, collisions, and constant change. Among the most intriguing inhabitants of this cosmic neighborhood are asteroids, rocky, metallic fragments left over from the birth of our solar system. They are remnants of creation, scattered across space like cosmic breadcrumbs, each carrying a story from the earliest days of the sun, planets, and everything in between. These rocks have been traveling the solar system for billions of years, largely unnoticed. Most drift quietly in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, minding their own orbits, unaffected by the world below. But some wander closer to Earth. These are called near-Earth objects, or NEOs. They are the ones that intrigue us, the ones that make headlines, and the ones that inspire both fascination and fear. Asteroids are more than just rocks. They are time capsules. Each one holds the chemical signature of a time before life existed on Earth, before oceans, before continents, before the atmosphere had oxygen. Scientists study them to understand how planets formed, how materials combined, and how the building blocks of life may have traveled through space. Some even contain water and organic molecules, suggesting that asteroids may have played a role in delivering the ingredients of life to our planet billions of years ago. But there is another side to these cosmic travelers. To the public, asteroids are often synonymous with disaster. Movies and media depict them as unstoppable harbingers of destruction, rolling across space toward our fragile planet. And while these dramatizations are exaggerated, they are rooted in reality. A large asteroid can hit Earth, and when it does, the consequences can be catastrophic. Earth has a long and violent history of asteroid impacts. The surface of our planet bears scars, some visible, some hidden beneath soil and water. The most famous example is the Chicxulub impact, caused by an asteroid approximately 10 kilometers across. It struck what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula 66 million years ago, releasing energy billions of times greater than the largest nuclear bomb ever detonated. The aftermath was apocalyptic. Firestorms erupted, the atmosphere was filled with dust and soot, sunlight was blocked, and temperatures plummeted. Entire ecosystems collapsed, and the dinosaurs, the dominant creatures of the planet, vanished forever. This event was rare, extraordinarily rare. Large, extinction-level impacts occur once every tens of millions of years. But the fact that they can happen reminds us that Earth is not isolated. Our planet exists in a vast, dynamic solar system, and cosmic events, whether rare or frequent, shape life on this world. Smaller asteroids are more common and usually pose far less danger, but they are not entirely harmless. They often enter Earth's atmosphere as meteoroids, burning up in spectacular displays of light. Some are large enough to reach the surface, creating craters and causing local damage. One such event occurred on February 15, 2013, in Chelyabinsk, Russia. A meteoroid roughly 20 meters across entered the atmosphere, exploding with the force of 30 Hiroshima bombs. The shockwave shattered windows across the city, injuring over 1,000 people. While this was nowhere near a global catastrophe, it served as a sobering reminder. Even small, undetected asteroids can have significant local impacts. Chelyabinsk also highlighted the limitations of our current detection systems. Small asteroids approach quickly and can come from directions where telescopes cannot easily observe. Even with modern technology, surprises are possible, but they are generally manageable and far less catastrophic than Hollywood would have you believe. Our understanding of asteroids has grown tremendously over the past few decades. Astronomers worldwide now maintain detailed catalogs of near-Earth objects, tracking tens of thousands of rocks whose orbits bring them close to our planet. Advanced telescopes, sky surveys, and space missions constantly monitor for new objects, calculating their trajectories years, sometimes decades, in advance. Each new asteroid is analyzed, its orbit mapped, and its potential impact risk assessed. The result of this vigilance is clear. At present, there is no known asteroid large enough to threaten global civilization on a collision course with Earth. None. This fact is reassuring, but it doesn't mean we can afford to be complacent. Science is a tool of preparation, not luck. Narrator. Humanity's ability to respond to potential asteroid threats has also advanced dramatically. In September 2022, NASA launched the DART mission, a historic experiment to test whether we could deflect an asteroid. A spacecraft deliberately collided with a small asteroid moonlet millions of miles from Earth, nudging it slightly off its orbit. The experiment was a success. For the first time in history, humans had demonstrated the capability to actively change the trajectory of a space rock. This achievement marks a turning point. No longer are we passive observers of cosmic events. Now, we have the tools to protect ourselves if a serious threat is ever detected. This is planetary defense in action. It is not sensationalism or fear-mongering. It is evidence of human ingenuity, preparation, and foresight. Asteroids are also a reminder of our place in the universe. They are not malevolent forces, but part of the natural processes that have shaped planets, climates, and even life itself. They carry lessons from the past and warnings for the future. They challenge us to watch, study, and prepare. In doing so, they reveal something profound about humanity, our capacity to understand, to innovate, and to respond to forces far beyond our planet. And yet, asteroids are often misunderstood. Media coverage tends to exaggerate the risk, focusing on potential apocalypse rather than scientific reality. Headlines scream, "Earth killer asteroid incoming," when in fact, most asteroids that pass near Earth are harmless. The truth is more measured. While the universe holds the potential for danger, our ability to detect, monitor, and respond dramatically reduces the risk. Looking to the future, our ability to manage asteroid threats will only improve. New observatories, both ground-based and in space, will provide earlier detection of smaller and darker objects. International cooperation will allow the sharing of data and the coordination of planetary defense strategies. Future missions may even allow us to move, capture, or destroy objects that pose a threat before they reach our atmosphere. In this sense, asteroids are not just hazards, they are a call to action. They remind us that Earth exists in a larger, dynamic cosmos, and that our survival depends not on luck, but on vigilance, knowledge, and technology. Asteroids are not harbingers of doom. They are teachers. They are cosmic archivists, chronicling the story of the solar system. They are reminders that life on Earth is fragile, yet resilient. They are invitations to think beyond our immediate environment and to consider the larger forces at play in the universe. And so, the next time a sensational story warns of an asteroid on a collision course with Earth, remember this: the sky is vast, the odds of catastrophe are low, and humanity is watching. We have knowledge, we have tools, we have foresight. The universe may be immense and unpredictable, but we are no longer powerless. We are prepared, We are vigilant, and we are capable. Look up, watch the sky. Marvel at the silent dance of planets, comets, and asteroids. Recognize the beauty, the history, and the challenges it represents. The rocks drifting through space are not our enemies. They are part of the story of our planet, part of the story of life, and part of the story of humanity's journey into the cosmos.